In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove strike-through in PDF 2026. Adobe Acrobat tutorial. If you've ever opened a PDF and found words crossed out with a strike-through line, that's usually a common annotation. Great for reviewing, but distracting once you're done. Today, I'll show you how to remove that strike-through quickly and cleanly using Adobe Acrobat 2026 without changing the actual text in your document. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat 2026 and opening the PDF you want to clean up. Once your file is open, head to the Tools area at the top and choose Comment. This switches you into the commenting workspace and reveals the toolbar for annotations, along with a panel that can list comments on the right. Opening the comment tool is important because it lets Acrobat treat those crossed out lines as markup you can select and remove, rather than as part of the page's content. Next, click directly on the strike-through markup in your document. You'll know you've selected the annotation when you see a subtle highlight, small handles, or the related item highlighted in the comments list. If nothing seems to select, make sure you're still in the comment tool, not a different editing mode. A quick zoom can help you click precisely on the line itself rather than the underlying text. With the strike-through selected, delete it. The fastest way is to press the delete key on your keyboard. If you prefer using the mouse, right-click directly on the strike-through and choose Delete from the context menu. Either method removes only the markup. Your original text remains unchanged and fully readable. You should see the line disappear instantly. If you had multiple strike-throughs in the document, just repeat the same click and delete action for each one. If you accidentally remove the wrong annotation, use Undo to bring it right back. And if the comments list is visible, you'll notice the associated entry vanish as soon as you delete the markup, which is a handy confirmation that the removal is complete. A couple of quick tips as you work. Selecting the annotation itself is key, so aim for the line rather than the text beneath it. If a click isn't registering, try toggling the comment tool again or zooming in for accuracy. Also, remember that you're only removing the visual markup here, not altering the document's content, so this is a safe way to finalize a clean reading copy. That's it. Simple, precise, and done in seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.